Hey, it's Jeff with Tribeca Northwest Real Estate. I am here with Brittany Arend, one of our leading listing agents with our team, and she's going to answer some questions on a big question that's happening right now is it's election season, and is it a good time to sell your home, and how does it impact real estate? So Brittany, is it a good time to sell your house?
So election years definitely impact the real estate market, but not as much as one would think. There's so much information in the news these days that tells people to either sell or not sell, but what's more important is to really look at the data and understand what history says about selling your home, and use that information to make an informed decision on what to do in an election year, and if you should wait or not wait. So let's talk about the data. In the last 9 election years since 1987, home prices have increased on an average of 4.84%. So this illustrates that home prices are unlikely to suffer during an election year. So it would be a good thing to sell your home during an election year. In fact, 7 out of the 8 last presidential elections, the home prices have gone up, with the exception of 2008 to 2009, where we were coming off a financial crash. So I would say it is a good time to sell in an election year specifically, not by a lot in comparison to other years, but slightly more, and that slightly more could mean more money in your pocket, Jeff.
What if I wanted to buy? Would this be a good time to buy during election year?
That's a great question, Jeff. Lower interest rates often mean homes are more affordable to purchase, but increased regulation limits housing supply and drives up prices, as you know. But you can ask your local agent what interest rates are doing, or your local mortgage lender. Currently, right now, interest rates are pretty stagnant. Since we have come back from COVID, they have remained steady, gone up by slight amounts, but there's no major swings in either direction in the market currently. So I would say it is also a good time to buy. You're going to know what to expect, especially coming into the winter months. It's often the case that buyers have more opportunity to get a good deal on a home. So I would speak with your local agent if you have any properties in the area that you're interested in checking out and seeing what sort of monthly payment and interest rate you can receive if you're looking to buy.
So like gathering that just during this time, there's just some uncertainty that people are nervous about, even though what you're telling me that 7 out of the last 8 presidential elections, home prices went up, but people are just a little uncertain because they don't know on which direction.
There's always going to be uncertainty, but hindsight is 20/20, unfortunately. So what I say is it's more about the time you can be in the market than trying to time the market. So if you own a home for 4 or 5 years, you're going to make money on it pretty much no matter what, historically speaking. But if you try to time the market and you wait 5 years and you rent for those 5 years, you're really just making your landlord money. So what would you rather do? Try to time the market and save $50 a month, or own that home for another 4 years and sell and make $100K? I think that the decision swings in the making an investment now is always the best decision. In fact, real estate is one of the safest investments you can make, since homes always increase over time. They may go up and down a little bit, as you can see in some of the data here, but they always increase, and that's a good thing to bet on.
So if I'm a landlord and you've been renting from me for 5 years, I've probably gained a lot of equity that you've paid for. Is that right?
Yes, absolutely. Okay. I'm looking into listing a home right now in Edmonds, and we went over the numbers just yesterday in regards to how much equity they have gained. And Edmonds is a really hot market right now. A lot of people love the school districts in that area, and prices increase rapidly. They purchased that home in 2022. Today, they are going to sell it close to $900K. So that's a $200K increase in just 2 years of owning the home, which is incredible. So it's important to look at the historical data of the area that you're purchasing in, to make sure that if you're investment minded and you're purchasing, a home out of specifically for an investment, that you're choosing areas that increase in value quickly, like Edmonds.
Oh, that's great. Well, thank you, Brittany, for all that information. And if you guys have any questions about buying or selling, please reach out to Brittany, and you're in good hands.
Thank you.